We all dream of a clean home, a clean town, a clean country. But who dreams to actually do the cleaning? Hello, my name is Dr. Swayman Singh, and I've been serving at the farmers' protest for the past 9 months. For about the last 4 to 5 months, we saw a growing problem in the gutters around the protest site. We were not alarmed because corruption in building of all government projects is a norm here. It's almost expected now that nothing governmental is good, and only projects done by the private players can hold. We requested the local administration to help us clean the gutters, but they all refused. They said you can definitely do it yourself, and we won't, take any action against you if you were to clean up yourself. We saw a growing problem because these gutters overflowing will soon lead to malaria, dengue, and possibly another COVID-like situation coming out of India. So we took the matter in our own hands. Now we've been cleaning the gutters. It's day 15. And what we uncovered in our project was heartbreaking. The gutters are built without an exit for the water, for the drain. It's a dead-end gutter, meaning no matter how we clean it, how much we clean it, it'll go back to where we started. This is probably the state of the country now. A lot of people who want to change, and many stand up for it, but all leads to a dead end. Farmers and their protest is our last hope. Stay united, stand united. All we know is one thing. If not now, then when? If not us, then who? No one else is going to clean up for us. No one else will clean our home. We have to clean our home ourselves. Stay strong, stay united, stand together. This is our only hope, our last stand.